Houston Methodist has deep roots in the Houston region. In the late 19th century, a hospital movement began in the Methodist Episcopal Church. By 1919, as World War I ended, the Spanish influenza virus had claimed 20 million lives worldwide, 1 million of them in the United States. Spurred by the flu epidemic, Dr. Oscar Norsworthy, a prominent physician and churchman, presented a plan to Methodist clergy and laypersons to bring much-needed additional hospital beds to Houston. The Methodist Hospital was formed later that year when the church purchased Norsworthy Hospital near downtown Houston, expanding it to 90 beds. The hospital continued to grow and eventually outgrew its facilities. After becoming a charter member of the Texas Medical Center in 1951, the Methodist Hospital opened its new 300-bed hospital, eventually becoming the premier hospital in Houston.
We've been committed to Houston and the people who call it home for almost 100 years. In 2013, we changed our name to Houston Methodist to more closely align ourselves with the community we serve. As the Houston region has grown, so too has Houston Methodist, as well as our mission. In addition to offering the safest, highest quality healthcare, part of our mission is leading medicine, our commitment to translational and clinical research and education. The Houston Methodist Research Institute, along with our affiliation with Weill Cornell Medical College of Cornell University and other leading educational institutions, ensures our continued commitment to discovering the latest innovations and cures.
Houston Methodist has grown alongside its namesake city. 6 community hospitals now serve the Baytown, Sugarland, Katy, Clear Lake, and Northwest quarter of the region.
As part of our vision for the second century, our new vision that will set a new standard for leading academic medical centers through unparalleled safety, quality, service, and innovation, Houston Methodist is committed to bringing our special brand of healthcare to everyone in this region. We're very excited to begin serving the Woodlands in 2017.
The new 193-bed hospital, which will be the 8th in the Houston Methodist system, will offer the Woodlands community a full-service acute care hospital capable of delivering services similar to what is available in the Texas Medical Center. The $328 million campus will be modeled after Houston Methodist West Hospital near Katy.
The Woodlands is my home. I've had the opportunity to live and work in the Woodlands for more than a decade. I'm deeply passionate about continuing to evolve the definition of a community hospital by raising the bar in healthcare delivery in this community. The Woodlands in North Montgomery County are sophisticated, rapidly growing communities who demand the very best in healthcare. Thanks to my history with Houston Methodist, I know this is exactly what we will bring to this community. I've seen firsthand the important life-saving innovations and cures being discovered at Houston Methodist, and it's going to be a pleasure to bring these innovations, as well as Houston Methodist's special brand of patient care, to the communities of the Woodlands and North Montgomery County. We look forward to serving this region with our breadth and depth of clinical services and innovation.
The Woodlands is an important part of the Houston metro area, the 5th largest metropolitan area in the United States. It is home to more than 107,000 residents, as well as more than 1,800 businesses and corporations, with more moving here each day.
The Woodlands is one of the first and best master plan communities in the United States. Even though the Woodlands is almost 40 years old, we continue to grow and move forward with our master plan. As more people and businesses continue to move here, we need to make sure to have the infrastructure necessary to serve them. What better addition to the Woodlands than one of the premier hospitals in Texas? This Houston Methodist Hospital will raise the bar for healthcare in the Woodlands and will give our residents a top-tier choice when choosing their hospital.
As its name suggests, the Woodlands is fully committed to the preservation of its 28,400-acre home and serene lifestyle, with nearly 7,000 acres of green space.
The Woodlands is a peaceful place a place that appreciates what nature offers us here. Our homes and businesses are surrounded by trees and native plants. To use this tree analogy, almost 100 years ago, our church leaders planted a young sapling in the heart of Houston, the Methodist hospital. This sapling's roots took hold and it grew strong, and it provided a spiritual environment of caring and healing to the community. This tree has spread its seeds throughout the area, creating more strong trees, which in turn provide for their own communities. We are fortunate that the Woodlands will soon be home to one of these strong trees with strong, deep roots, which will also provide this spiritual environment of caring and healing to people of the whole Woodlands area.
Houston Methodist, opening in the Woodlands in 2017.